As shown right here, I have a total balance of 14.04 USD in my PayPal account, and as shown in my transaction activities right here, you can see this is the amount 15 USD received. So it was from let me click on the transaction to show you guys the full information. So as shown right here, I received that amount today around 19 a.m. 15 USD PayPal fee of 9.6 USD. So I now have a total of 14.04 USD as my balance. So welcome back once again, guys. It's Arbitrage Genius. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make extra income writing articles online using ChatGPT to generate SEO contents for your clients. I'll show you in the introductory part. I just completed an offer for a client which asked me to write an article for him. The article is all about a video downloader. You can just copy the link of what you are trying to download, you paste it in the software, and then you can download in various formats. So that's just what the article the guy asked me to write about is all about. So I generated the article using ChatGPT, and there's this platform which I used to convert the AI written article to human written article. And as you can see right here, I've received my payment from the guy. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please kindly do that now and click on the notification bell, and make sure you watch this video to the end, because that's the only time you gain full value of this video. So without taking many much of your time, so let me proceed into the video. So I believe a lot of you guys already know about ChatGPT. It's more like an artificial intelligence software that can, do various things, write articles, write poem, and all sort of things. So to get started with this process, all you have to do is just come to your browser and then type in ChatGPT, or just input chat.openai.com as shown right here. So now let's proceed. So an interface like this will open up. It's showing like this because I already have an account, and for you guys that don't have an account, a different interface will show up, showing you to sign up or to log in. So then you click on the sign up, you input your email, and then you'll be sent a verification link. Then you get your account created. So it's as simple as that. So I'm now in my ChatGPT interface. For this tutorial, the article will be trying to generate is how to avoid AI detectors. So let's assume a client gives you an article to write about how to avoid AI detectors. So what you have to do is this for you to ensure that these articles are SEO well written. So you have to ensure you go to Google, you type in that into your search bar right here, how to avoid AI detectors. You see that these websites are the one at the top. They are the high ranking websites. So you copy their content, you copy their article. So for you to do that, you open the search box, the website, sorry. Once you do that, let's copy some of their contents. Let me switch to desktop mode. I'm trying to make this video as fast as possible, so I won't take your time. It's okay like this. So let's just copy, and then we go back to ChatGPT, and then we input our prompt right here. Yeah, so I've seen in my prompt right here, I just input this prompt into ChatGPT saying, as an article writer, write me a 700 words SEO oriented article with title How to Avoid AI Detectors using the below article as guide. So if you guys remember the this article I copied earlier, so I just open a quote and paste the article. So but for you, if you guys actually need well written SEO content, you can copy like 2-3 articles. So you just open quotes, you paste close quotes, and then at the end of each quote you write and this. Then you open quote again, paste the second article, you close quotes, you can just put in comma, then space, then you open quote and paste. So this using multiple articles just give ChatGPT a baseline to write. These 3 articles you copy are the most trending articles on Google search page. So ChatGPT will have enough SEO keywords to generate an article for you. So that's the major reason for copying articles on Google search page. So you can just input a prompt into ChatGPT to write an article based on this title, and it will generate it. But if you want an SEO enriched article, you have to follow this method. So I will just use an article for this video. So, but you can use up to 2, 3, doesn't matter. So now let me click on send, and let's see what ChatGPT will generate for us. So it's now generating. Yeah, let's wait for it. Yeah, so ChatGPT is done generating the article for us, and as you can see, this is really nice. How to avoid AI detectors and create authentic content. So in fact, is well laid out, and you can see the subtopics, abiding, and all that. So this is well written, but you can't just copy this and paste for your clients and then said you've written an article. You know, everyone now knows about AI written content and all that, so they always check articles that you write for them to ensure that it's not AI written. So let's copy this article that ChatGPT generated and paste into an AI detector. So let's do that. So to copy, you click on this small button, this first small button right here. So let me do that. Now copied. So let me go to our AI detector. There's this AI detector I do use. It's called content at scale.ai. Content at scale.ai. I'll provide the link for all these tools used for you guys in the description box. So kindly check it out. And once again, don't forget to watch this video to the end. That's when you get the full value from this video. And for those that haven't subscribed yet, please do that now. So now let me paste the copied article right here. So let me paste and then scroll up and then click on check for AI content. Sorry. Now let's do that. It's now checking. It doesn't take time at all. So let's wait for it to fully check. Yes. As you can see, I asked ChatGPT to generate 700 words. So but it generated 648. And as you can see right here, our article is 99% human written. So there's a reason why this came up, because we gave ChatGPT a raw article, a human written article as baseline, as guides for you to generate an article for it. So that was why we're able to generate a unique article like this. So now that we have a well-written human article, I already have the article copied. So I'll now let's go and check for plagiarism of this article. There's these tools I do use. It's called Small SEO tools. Don't worry, guys. I'll provide the link for all these tools in the description box. So now let me paste a copied article into this tool, and then let's wait for the captcha to load up. Okay, let's click for object that. Now let's click for images that have cars, and let's verify. Then we click on check plagiarism. These do take time, although not that long, but I'll just pause this video and get back to you guys when I'm done. Okay, so now we are done with the plagiarism tests, and as you can see, our article is 100% unique. So you can just copy this article, paste into your Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and save as .docx file, save as a document, and then send to your clients. So you can check, review, and all that. But the article will always come out 100% unique. So then you get your payment. So it's as simple as that. That was how I got the 15 USD you guys saw in my PayPal account. And one more thing before I forget, there was this time I was trying to, because I have a Fiverr account which I'm running. I'm also offering article writing service. So there was this time I was trying to generate an article. I generated up to like 2-3 articles, but they still came out like 20, just 20. When I checked using this content at scale, they all came out like 13% human written. So it was flagged that I generated these articles several times. They all came out flagged as AI content. So I was really frustrated then, because I only had little idea about the article that I want to write. But you know, I can't just give up, so I had to make some research, and I came across a wonderful platform that, even if you don't copy an article online to give as baseline for ChatGPT, if you just input write an article with a title, how to avoid AI detectors, and ChatGPT generates an article for you, you can just simply copy the article and then come down to this platform right here. It's called Word AI. wordai.com. So you can start a free trial, and I've used this tool several times. It's unique and fantastic. So to use this platform, Word AI, and simply start with their free trial. I think they offer free trial for 3 days. So after 3 days, you'll be asked to make payments. So and that's about Word AI. So thank you once again for watching. And for anyone who knows about this Fiverr affiliate program, actually I've watched several videos on YouTube about it, on how to get people to sign up using your link. So, but for anyone who knows or has been using and making money with the Fiverr affiliate program, please kindly signify in the comment section. Please, I want to know more about the Fiverr affiliates from someone that is doing it practically, because most of these videos on YouTube we just go with posting links on Quora and all that, but that doesn't really work. For anyone who knows a genuine means, a genuine method of generating revenue on Fiverr affiliates, please kindly signify in the comment section. So thank you once again, guys, and bye.